So I have to continue it for part 2. So before, you guys see did not properly feed in there. Now should be okay. Everything had to be go inside. See that? Yep, they're good to go. So
Is the new one?
yeah, this is a new one. So it got to be like this.
Snapped it.
Snap in. Should be all right. Yep. Got room in here. Got room in here. So when you take them out, take them out. So I got 2 new ones, and that's the one I'm done. And this one is still not done yet. So you will see it. It won't go. It won't go in there. See that? That's a small. This is small, big. So I have to redo that one. The same thing with this. Or the same thing with the last one I bought. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any question, and just let me know. And
why do we have the Exacto blade? Why do we have the Exacto blade? The box cutter.
So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys like it.
Done?
And this one is, I say, the reason you need the electric file.
Still recording?
Because you got to make this one a little bit smooth.
Still a new one, so you guys can do the old one. Still a new one, but replace it to the new one. But replace it to the old one. So that's the new one. Replaced it with the.
You see that one is not smooth, so I have to file them down to make them smooth.
You do?
So they probably feed easy.
How'd you learn that, Dad?
File them down.
Dad, why'd you learn that?
I know how to do it.
So why'd you learn it?
So after you file them down, it got to be smooth and go in easy. So I buy 2 of them
It's not
for
edges.
head cover trimmer. It's only $9. Then a pretty good deal, but I mean you have to work a little bit more. You know, it take more time to do it. So I hope you guys like it.
So you say you like it, but you're still not going to end the video?
Not yet. Still a little bit.
Alright.
So this is sandpaper file. We'll show you guys again how the easy fit right now. We gotta go inside. Gotta go both sides. See, it fit. Long as this one locking for both sides, they locking, should be okay. So you have head cover, trim, maybe a little bit stuck right here, so I gotta file them down more a little bit. That one okay, but that one stuck a little bit, so I gotta take them out. I found on this side a little bit more. Let's see how they fit, okay? Sometimes it won't fit over here, you gotta pop them in to make them fit. Yep, they're good. So they're in place right now. I hope you guys like it. This is how I working on my head cover trimmer. So long as you got two side lock over here, it should be okay. Work a little bit more over here.
Should I high turn down? I'm not gonna try it. So. Oh, this side turn on?
So they lock it. Good. Okay. So that's it. I wanna show you guys a little bit about that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye bye. See you guys next time.